Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Shoppers decide in seconds whether a store looks trustworthy, and a polished, consistent brand is what turns a first-time visitor into a buyer. In this video, we'll make your store look like an established brand from day one, using the Edit website page. Let's begin. Start with your tagline, the short line under your logo. A good tagline says who you are and why to buy from you in a few plain words. Keep it simple and honest, something a real person would say, so visitors instantly understand what you offer. Now choose one brand color and use it everywhere. Established brands look consistent, so pick a single color that feels like you and stick with it across your logo, banner, and buttons. One steady color makes even a brand new store feel considered and real. Next, add a clear headline to your hero banner, the big message at the top of your store. Say what you sell and the promise behind it in one confident line. This is the first thing visitors read, so make it warm and specific, not vague. This is the most important step for trust, the About section. Tell your story in a few honest sentences, how you started, what you care about, and how you treat your customers. People buy from people, and a real story is what makes a small shop feel safe to buy from. Now feature your best products. Don't show everything at once. Pick a small handful of your strongest items with your best photos. A tidy, curated shopfront looks intentional and premium, while a cluttered one looks unsure. Less, chosen well, always wins. Finally, save your work so your polished store is ready to go live. Take one last look as if you were a first-time visitor and ask yourself, does this feel like a brand I would trust? When it does, you're ready. That's how you look established from day one. A consistent color, a clear tagline and headline, an honest about story, and a curated set of products. Those few touches make a brand new store feel established and safe to buy from. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.